The city of Houston, Atlanta, Vegas.
So what it do, young nigga? 100.
I am on a 24-hour champagne diet, spilling while I'm sipping. I encourage you to try it. I'm probably just saying that cause I don't have to buy it.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl, period. Thank you for clicking on the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay, period. So as you can tell by the title, we are doing another wig review. This wig review is in collaboration with Unice hair, and I want to give them a huge thank you for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over a 13x4 transparent lace unit. I believe this is a 24-inch body wave unit. This hair is gorgeous, okay? I've never personally done red hair, but I love how it looks. It was so easy to install, so easy to curl and get this look, and I'm just really in love with it, okay? So y'all know the drill. It's nothing new here. If you want to continue to see me install this wig and how I got this look, please continue to keep on watching. And once again, I want to give a huge thank you to Unice Hair for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to check the description box below for you to get all the details on this unit so you can get one of your own, okay? Because they're having a huge sale right now for the holiday season, and I just want you to be able to take advantage of this. So period.